Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Kane. I help people with peripheral neuropathy get out of pain and back to doing the things that they love doing. One of the ways that I help is with this weekly educational video series where I give you tips to help give you some much needed relief. This particular video is about how you can leverage cold to get yourself feeling better. Now there's a very good reason why top athletes after a very intense competition will take an ice cold bath afterwards. There's an equally good reason why if you were to sprain your ankle, putting ice on it will help you recover quicker. It's because it works, and there's a growing amount of research substantiating that cold therapy can help to suppress chronic pain. The way that it works is by constricting blood vessels, which forces out some of the excess inflammation in the area, which helps to lower pain. What it also does is it stimulates your thermoreceptors. These are particular receptors in your body that detect temperature. And the more you do this over time, the more you create a connection between your body and your brain so that you focus less on the pain. Now there's a variety of different ways you can go about doing this. You can do local cold therapy where you put an ice pack on whatever part of your body is hurting. You can also do global cold therapy, which is where you submerge your whole body into an ice cold bath or you take a cold shower. Now whichever way you go, be careful not to expose parts of your body that are numb to cold or hot temperatures, because if you can't actually feel the temperature, you won't know if it's damaging your tissues or not. So if you have completely numb feet, do not put ice packs on your feet. All right, now with that said, if you are able to detect temperature and you can safely do cold therapy, then try ice if you do it locally for 20 minutes several times a day. And if you try a shower or a bath, try this for about 20 minutes as well. And if you do a shower, something you can also try is alternating between cold and warm. So 1 minute cold, 1 minute warm, and keep alternating back and forth. What this will do, it'll constrict the blood vessels, then open them up and constrict and open up. And as you do this, this helps to really pump some of this excess inflammation accumulated out of your system. Do this for a week, you will probably notice at least some improvements in your neuropathy. Now bear in mind, while this may be one of the keys to helping you feel better, it is not the complete solution. There are so many other things out there that can help you with your neuropathy. So continue to educate yourself. Watch our other videos. Check out our online course on how to overcome neuropathy. Schedule a consultation with myself. All of these are completely free, so you have no reason not to continue educating yourself so that you can figure out what you need to do to get yourself better. If you know someone that would benefit from this video, share it with them. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to be updated with future videos. Please do leave your comments down below, and most importantly, remember that you can get better. There is literally an infinite number of things that you can do to get yourself better. You've not tried them all, so stay relentless, and in time you will be feeling better. I promise you this. And it is a deep pleasure of mine to help guide you along this journey. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Take care.